I'm Derek Smith. I'm Technical Manager of Griffith University's ADAPT, which is the Advanced Design and Prototyping Technologies Institute, of which we are sitting in version 1 right now on the Gold Coast Health and Knowledge Precinct. I was always a kid who loved taking things apart, working on cars and just trying to understand how things work and solve problems. I was a design engineer over several years in different companies in the UK and then into several startups in Scotland, including Biopta, Touch Bionics. Both of these were startups, one in pharmacology, one in prosthetics. I managed to bag a job at Colocation, which was great. I ran their mechanical design group in Brisbane for 4.5 years, which was fantastic. And I loved the idea of ADAPT, the opportunity to get involved in very disparate disciplines and projects and different subject matters, all the way from health through to our aerospace work, which are the two kind of main areas that we operate now. We're in a really strong place and have really accelerated over the last 1.5 years in terms of research income, consultancy income, and how we work with businesses locally. And it is about local businesses, about small to medium enterprise and startup, and saying, well, what are the questions that need to be answered and how can we help you answer them? So it runs all the way from design through into a process, into manufacture. So usually it's a product of some sort that we work with. We're very lucky that we've got some really strong research groups who are moving in that commercial space, and with their education and the projects that they're stepping through, it's really industry relevant. It's really strong biomedical engineering skills, that almost so much that we're inventing a new skill set and a new engineer. We've got a proving ground here and we're really getting some great projects and great products out there based on that. And it's so exciting to see, because when I started, it was a research project. Now we're physically selling those items out commercially, and to see where we can now go and accelerate from that is huge. It's all about colocation, having the minds in one area, having that networking community. So knowing that someone could be, for example, sitting in cohort, having an idea or having a problem with their particular business or their startup, and just over the road you've got the university, you've got ADAPT, you've got the hospital. For us in the Gold Coast, it's a huge differentiation to the traditional industries, and I think that's a really important opportunity for the Gold Coast. When you talk about tech and startup and manufacturing, Brisbane's always the hub, and so to grow that out and say, well, actually just down the road you've got somewhere where you can come in, you can start ideas, you can grow very quickly, get to market and have everything there that you need. We're in our early stages of growth, and the real opportunity for these people to come, they can study at Griffith, they can work in the precinct, they can start their own business, they can interface with the hospital if it's medtech, and there'll be a lot of other businesses around that are growing up as well. Come and play, come and learn, come and get involved in technical disciplines or arts or whatever it is you're interested in, because you can do it all here. And you can come and be whatever you want to be with a business that has real chance of growth and success. I came to the Gold Coast for the lifestyle. It's that perfect balance between working and playing. I've got challenging work and a great environment, and the precinct very much, and the growth in that is so promising that why would you want to go anywhere else?